Hello class, this is Professor Garner. I want to welcome you once again to English College Composition, English 121, here at Howard Community College. This class is required for all students at HCC for any degree program that you're entering into, and it is the transferable class throughout the state of Maryland to any of our universities as well as universities across the country. So I wanted to provide you with just a brief introduction to the course, as well as specifically an introduction to our first unit. So for Tuesday night, you went through and you pressed on the start here and went through those first modules. But I also wanted to let you know that you can press on modules. And here's where you'll get to see everything for the course in order. Now on yours, all the modules won't show up because I'm going to release the assignments as we begin working on them. But you can see on mine, I have my teacher edition up here, so you'll be able to kind of see how it works. So the first thing we did, which was due on Tuesday, was the orientation. And next we'll be moving into Unit 1. We're going to have 4 units this semester. Each unit is going to provide a series of assignments, and that will lead up to a larger final project. Throughout these 4 units, you're going to be learning important skills like critical thinking, critical reading, analysis, research, and of course, essay composition. You'll see here Unit 1 talks about how to read, summarize, and critically question text. Our first unit is going to be about looking at a reading rhetorically, and we'll get into, and I'll provide another lecture about what rhetorical analysis is in the next week. But you can see we're going to start with the unit overview, which this video will be part of, and then we'll work through a series of assignments. Unit 2 is how to observe a scholarly conversation. In this unit, you'll be producing an annotated bibliography as your big assignment. Unit 3 is where we get into our big research papers, and this is how to contribute to a scholarly conversation. Your deliverable, the big assignment there, is going to be a long research paper, about 7 pages. And the final unit talks about how to reach a new non-scholarly audience. So we'll be looking at, and you'll be working with the same topics, and changing that is called a genre shift. And so we'll be changing and look the audience from our academic essay to a different audience. And we'll work through this all together throughout the semester, so I don't want you to be overwhelmed right now. But that is the way the semester is going to work. If you have any questions at any time, again, make sure you just reach out to me and enjoy the work of Unit 1.